everybody, welcome back. Today I have two more special guests. You guys already seen them in the What's in My Mouth challenge.
My name is Heaven. My name is Saldana.
And today we're gonna be making an avocado face mask. Avocado and lemon. And you can add honey, but we don't have any honey, so we're just gonna use these two items and we're gonna try and get a clear face. Cut up the avocado.
So while she's doing that, I'm going to tell you what we need. We need lemon, a bowl, a spoon to mush it up, or something to mush the avocado up in the lemon. And then you need 2 avocados if you have 3 people. And you need a knife to cut the avocado.
Now you guys can add your freshly squeezed lemon.
Oopsie.
Sorry. Sorry.
You've seen the What's in My Mouth challenge, what you should
used-
totally see. She made us eat that.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I'll put the link in the description box. Make sure you guys check out the What's in My Mouth challenge featuring these two. Up.
Wouldn't it burn if it gets in our eyes?
Yeah, so avoid the eyes.
It said avoid the
And
eyes.
ask your parents' permission before doing this.
That's a lot of math.
Okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is about the consistency that it needs to be like this. Like, not too chunky, not too thin, because you don't want it like dripping off your face.
Huh. This is so weird. Did you eat it?
First of all, it's really cold.
Really?
Is it cold?
Yes, it's so
I'm just gonna put it fast.
I can't see.
I jumped.
You don't need to see.
Ah! No.
You're gonna leave it in. We're gonna leave it in about
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Did I do it everywhere? I can't really see.
No.
Right.
I meant to put it on your nose.
Don't move. Can you do it on my own nose?
You wanna get it underneath the neck? Well, not the neck, but like, you know, under your chin or whatever. Close up.
My nose itches.
Yeah, we're gonna keep this on for
10 minutes?
10 minutes. Okay, so we're back and we just rinsed off the avocado mask. How did you guys' face feel?
My face feels so smooth.
Smooth? How about yours?
Feels smooth.
Smooth. I think like mine, like this is no product. I just rinsed it out and I think it doesn't feel dry. It feels a little bit more hydrating. And typically when I put water on my face and dry it with a towel, it's really dry. So I think this did a pretty good job. I'm gonna like keep doing it and see if I get better results. But now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys try this avocado mask. I still have a lot left over, so we're probably gonna do it again tomorrow night, so it won't go to waste. But other than that, thank you guys so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
In the next 24 hours, like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Try to get
tried
to 100.
Try to get this video to 100 likes. We're gonna start off small. 100 likes. All right, peace.